Hey, everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to earn with social media marketing. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, and it's no surprise that businesses have been using social media to reach their target audience. Today, we'll discuss how you can use your social media skills to earn money. The first step is to choose your niche. Identify what you're passionate about and what you can create content around. Once you have a niche, it's easier to create a brand around it and grow your following. The next step is to create engaging content. Your content should resonate with your target audience and be visually appealing. You can create videos, images, and infographics to showcase your content. Building your following is crucial in social media marketing. Engage with your audience by replying to their comments, sharing their content, and hosting giveaways. Your following will grow over time, and as it does, you'll start to see more opportunities to earn money. Partnering with brands is one of the most common ways to earn money through social media marketing. Once you have a substantial following, you can reach out to brands within your niche and offer your services. You can promote their products or services in exchange for a commission. Another way to earn money through social media marketing is by selling your own products. You can create an online store and promote your products on social media. Make sure your products align with your niche and you're targeting the right audience. Lastly, you can join affiliate programs and earn money by promoting other people's products. You'll receive a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This is a great way to earn passive income while promoting products you believe in. And that's it for today's video on how to earn with social media marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and let us know in the comments which method you're going to try first. Thanks for watching.